Oh, I hear you. No, I know there's a monster behind me. That's my narcissist behind me. And I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I took my power back. I have my life back. I feel alive again. I can go do things. I can be with people who care about me. I don't have to walk on eggshells. I can express my feelings and have them validated. I can listen to somebody and understand they're telling me the truth. I took my power back, and that's taking our lives back. So yeah, our narcissists are behind us. They're in the past. Don't let them devour you anymore. Keep that power going.